Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in YouTube marketing we'll discuss about the video strategies. What are the strategies that you can think of implementing as far as YouTube marketing or video marketing is concerned? Why video marketing in the first place? Because of mobile penetration. That is hugely popular. Mobiles are everywhere and people are watching more and more videos on mobiles, on smartphones. It is one of the main reasons why there are a lot of penetration in video marketing is. Future of content marketing. We talk of content marketing, why content is so important, why content is the king, why content drives you traffic, why content brings you more and more organic traffic. Yes, it is here and it is here to stay. But besides from the content marketing that we already do, videos are going to be a new addition to it. More and more content marketing will be done in future through the videos. So in future, content marketing will be driven by the videos. Appealing and impactful. It is appealing, it creates an impact, users will be able to observe the videos much more faster and quicker, and they can watch the videos on the move. Increased ROI. Return on investment is far higher and bigger through video marketing. Some of the best strategies that you can think of implementing. Research is extremely important. The more you do research before you actually go about creating a video, the pre-production part, before you actually start shooting your video, the research in terms of the niche, in terms of the domain, in terms of the competitors and their videos, where their videos are available, what is the length of the video, what is the presentation, what is the script, the storyboard. Do a lot of research on these topics. Then you come to your actual production part, the shooting of the video. Then you create your video. Then you optimize the video, completely optimize in terms of editing, in terms of typos, in terms of grammar, in terms of language, in terms of presentation, and in terms of the look and feel. Then you actually go about doing a lot of activity related to how you are actually going to promote your videos. Then the visibility comes into picture when you want to drive more and more traffic towards a video. Then the conversions and the return on investment. So these are some of the critical factors. Research, you create, you actually multi-channel activity promoting the videos, then you optimize the videos, more and more increased traffic, the visibility increases and the return on investment happens. So these are some of the best practices that you can implement as far as your video marketing is concerned. And some of the benefits that you can draw out of this video marketing: brand awareness and improved awareness. Your brand identity will be created, your company identity will be created. Brand identity is extremely important. It generates curiosity among the users. The more the videos, the more the appeal, the more the importance, the more the impact, the more the curiosity. It also goes viral. There is every possibility that you can think of out of box, you can have an innovative concept, you can come up with a video. Who knows, it can also go viral, and when it goes viral, the sky is the limit. You are going to drive insane traffic to your website. Less investment and more impact. When you compare in terms of the investment and the impact and the ROI, the conversion, it is much higher. The return on investment and the impact is much higher than the less investment. So these are some of the benefits that you can draw out of your video marketing. So why video marketing in the first place? The conclusion what we have seen right now, the best practices and the benefits out of video marketing. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.